iTau Milling in Bloemfontein has been providing excellent service to customers throughout Southern Africa for over 30 years. They have grown into a trusted brand, known for manufacturing and distributing a wide range of quality mill products throughout South Africa and its neighbouring countries. They strive to continuously grow their business, built on well-informed decisions, with trained and dedicated people, while consistently providing high-quality products and services to valued customers. iTau products include maize meal, wheat flour and mabela, all monitored by their ISO 22000 food safety management system. The iTau team is passionate, enthusiastic, committed and very proud of what they do. iTau Milling, high quality products at the best possible prices.